my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look at Bittorrent crypto. What's the price change goes and Bittorrent, what's the high price and what is the current status of Bittorrent in the cryptocurrency markets. In this video I will show you with live proofs. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe. So now let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notification, because IBS Tech channel give you update every hour from a new and urgent cryptocurrencies news. That is why my suggestion for you to please subscribe channel. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the Bittorrent of the last one day. The changes are in negative 7.85%. Absolutely very bad change occur in the Bittorrent. Oh my goodness, what's this, Jen? What's this, Jen? That has broken my heart. What's your impression about this, Jen? I'm very sad at this time because the change is a negative. Absolutely, I'm all there of better, and that is why I'm very sad to see this kind of change. So, what's your impressions? And if you look at the high price of Bittorrent, so the high price is about $0.009661. That is the high price of Bittorrent. Yes, that is a high price. Oh my god, a lot of people said no, 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 that is not a high price. But that is the reality of my friends. That is the high price. I'm not talking you a lie. That is a truth, as you can see here. So friends, if we look the currently status, currently change token in the Bittorrent, as you can see the chart analysis tell us that the previous last one day, that is the last one day price prediction. Remember that, friends. As you can see, it continuously falls down the last one day price prediction, and unfortunately, as you can see here, there again at this time they are again falling down very badly. So that is why I'm talking about the bad change occur in the Bittorrent. A lot of people are very angry on this channel, but we can't do something, anything, nothing do. We are only see this kind of change. We can't do anything, friends. We can't do anything. Okay, now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. You understand that is the last one day price prediction and the change is negative. Now let's see the last 1 hour price change. So current the Bittorrent, it's the high price. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, a lot of people are very angry, very cryful at this time when they see this kind of change. Negative 1.17% change occur in the Bittorrent, and the last 1 hour, what's going Bittorrent going wrong at this time? Absolutely bad change, and I'm a holder of Bittorrent, that is why my impression is a very bad. Believe me that I'm very angry to see this kind of change when I am a holder of any crypto. Now Bittorrent are in the start mode, and the day is very bad of Bittorrent at this time. And remember, to the last 1 hour high price is about $0.00888 is the high price of Bittorrent. And if we look at the current price of Bittorrent, so they are very less. $0.0087777 is the high price of Bittorrent. Oh my goodness, as you can see here, that is not the best change token in the Bittorrent. The change is now is this time the currently change token in the Bittorrent is absolutely bad. As you can see here, they are also in the falling mode. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last one day, as I show you in this video, my suggestion for all of Bittorrent holders is that we can't do anything to Bittorrent, and they false, we can't do anything, they false. So be patient and please hold your Bittorrent coin. I'm seriously hold your Bittorrent coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion occurs are soon. So please wait for the big explosion, the big pump, and we can't do anything about the Bittorrent. As I show you the changes are on negative, so wait it, be patient. What's your opinion about Bittorrent? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe. A lot of people not subscribing my channel. What's going? Please click the subscribe button, friends. Please like. Thank you. I know you subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS. See you next time.